Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Databricks, episode 1 of 15. For years, companies have been paying twice to store the exact same data just to keep both their machine learning engineers and their business analysts happy. Storing raw data in one system and copying it into another creates endless synchronization headaches. Databricks fixes this by introducing a unified approach called the Data Lakehouse. Historically, organizations split their data architecture into two separate paths. First, they built data lakes. These are cheap, highly scalable cloud storage systems, perfect for dumping massive amounts of unstructured data. Data scientists love them for training machine learning models, but data lakes are terrible for fast, reliable SQL queries. To solve that, businesses introduced data warehouses for their business intelligence teams. This creates a massive operational burden. Take a growing startup as an example. Their data engineers dump raw event logs into a cloud storage bucket. They run their Python scripts there. But the finance team needs dashboards, so the engineers must build complex pipelines to extract that data, transform it, and load it into a separate data warehouse. The company pays for storage twice. They pay for the compute required to move the data, and the moment the data arrives in the warehouse, it is already out of date. Databricks eliminates this pipeline entirely with the lakehouse architecture. A lakehouse combines the cheap, flexible storage of a data lake with the reliability and performance of a data warehouse. It keeps your data in a single, open format directly in your cloud storage. You do not copy it into a proprietary database. Instead, Databricks adds a transactional layer directly on top of your existing data lake. Here is the key insight. Your data stays in one single place, but different professionals interact with it exactly how they need to. Data scientists can write Python or Scala to train models directly on the raw files. Simultaneously, business analysts can run high-performance SQL queries on that exact same data to power their reporting tools. People often mistakenly think Databricks is just another SQL database or simply a managed wrapper around Apache Spark. It is neither. It is a comprehensive data intelligence platform. By merging the lake and the warehouse, you also merge security and governance. In the old model, you had to manage access permissions and cloud storage for the engineers and separately in the data warehouse for the analysts. With Databricks, a unified governance layer handles access control across every table, file, and machine learning model. You define a data access policy once, and it applies everywhere, regardless of the language or tool used to query it. The real power of the lakehouse architecture is not just saving money on redundant storage pipelines, it's that your artificial intelligence models and your financial dashboards are finally looking at the exact same numbers at the exact same time. If you want to help keep the show going, you can search for DevStoriesEU on Patreon. That's all for this one. Thanks for listening and keep building.